Hi guys, welcome to Chilli Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share an easy lunch recipe which is coconut milk pulao which I made in the instant pot. This coconut rice is so flavorful and delicious. Perfect and fluffy rice loaded with veggies. It's quick and ready in under 30 minutes. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make coconut milk pulao in the instant pot. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. Turn on the saute mode. To the inner pot, add oil or ghee. I have shared an instant pot ghee recipe in the description box below. Please do check it. Few cashews, 1 bay leaf, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, green cardamom. Add pepper. Saute them until they release a nice fragrance. Add slitted green chillies, adjust it as per your spice level. Add thinly sliced onions. Saute the onions until it's translucent. Add ginger garlic paste, saute it for a minute. Add veggies of your choice. I am adding carrots and peas. Give it a mix. Wash and soak the basmati rice for 15 minutes. Drain the water completely before adding it. Add salt to taste. Give it a mix. Add fresh coconut milk. If you are using a canned coconut milk, use 1 full can. I have given the recipe link for the fresh coconut milk in the description box below. Please do check it. Give it a mix. Make sure that all the rice is under the liquid. Close the lid and seal the vent. Pressure cook them for 5 minutes under high pressure. Make sure to turn off the keep warm button to avoid the sticky bottom. Once the instant pot is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally or release the pressure after 5 minutes. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. Wow, the fragrance is so good. Look at that, rice cooked perfectly. Look at that, no sticky bottom. The rice is cooked nice and fluffy. Do try this instant pot coconut milk pulao. Trust me, you will love it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.